Hi everyone, welcome to HJ's Garden. I have bought Bonnie strawberry plants from Home Depot, which you see here, and we have another bunch of plants growing started from seeds, as you saw in my previous videos. I am replanting them in this video and going to show you the right way to replant them and the soil we used for these berry plants. First, the soil requirements. Any potting mix with loose and well drained should be good for strawberry plants. Here we are making our own mix with 1/4 of peat moss and 3/4 of organic potting mix. Peat moss is optional. We can use any organic potting mix directly, but I'm using it because I have a big bag of it sitting. And also adding peat moss wouldn't hurt. It will add more drainage and some nutrients too. I got this picture from Bonnie website to show you different parts of strawberry plants because it is important to plant them properly. You need to find the crown and do not bury it while you replant because new leaves, flowers would grow from crown. If we bury the crown, plant wouldn't grow any further and eventually it will die. So this picture helps you to understand the different parts of strawberry plants. I have found 4 plants in one pot and 3 in the other. So we are going to replant them into 3-gallon containers. Once your mix is ready, take out the plants carefully and separate them by each. While pulling them out, don't damage roots because as you see here, strawberries has a bunch of roots developed and they are as long as the plant grown outside. So plant them properly without burying the crown as we see earlier and water them thoroughly. Another important thing to know is the type of plants we are having. There are mainly 2 types of strawberry plants, June bearings and ever bearings. June bearings will start flowering in June or approximately in every summer, and ever bearings produce fruits continuously all over the year. The plants we bought from Bonnie are June bearings, and unfortunately we are not sure about the plants growing from seeds because I have collected the seeds from the fruits I have bought from store and sowed them. So these took almost 4 months to grow this size and I was wondering why. I got answer when I took out these plants, which is these plants have very good root system developed and it was not easy to pull them out because roots spread like the web underneath, and unfortunately while I pull the plant I broke one. So we are going to use these small pots to replant some of them from this big pot. Once they grow a little longer, we are going to replant them into the same bigger pots like the other plants. But these plants' roots are times longer than the plant showed up outside. So while I was waiting for them to grow, it was silently growing the rooting system under the ground, which I don't see, and I was sometimes I was getting hopeless and thought it's not worth growing the plants from seed, but that's not true. I'm now happy to see all these plants growing without any cost. As you see, this is time to replant them. And the potting mix we are going to use is the same thing we used for the bigger plants. Again, plant them carefully without burying the crown. So with this we have completed replanting strawberries and I will keep you posted on growth of these. Thank you for watching friends. I will meet you in next video.